The CSS series tool is a battery-powered shear wrench used to install TC bolts using the twist-off tension control bolt method. It comes in 3 different models. What you get when you purchase or rent one from GWI is the case. Inside the case, you're going to see a safety card, a manual, the tool, with a socket set of your choice depending on the size of bolts you're installing, 2 batteries, charger, and a screwdriver for changing out the socket sets. There are several different accessories that you can get with the tool, which include different socket sets for different size TC bolts, which are sold separately as an inner socket and an outer socket. Nut busters, which are used to remove TC bolts, and extension sockets for those hard to reach areas. And you can also get extra batteries and chargers. Let me do that again. You'll get the tool itself, you'll get the CSS tool. Why are you looking at me like that? All right.